Hey guys, welcome back. If you can tell from my voice, it's kind of been a rough week for me. I've had a lot going on, a lot. So this week we are going to finally be getting into how to join a pocket. I use a granny square pocket. Now, I love joining these pockets to granny square projects, whether they be shawls, sweaters, dresses, skirts, pretty much anything. It goes as long as it's a granny square pattern. So I will be showing you how to do that. Let's get into today's video. So I am joining to a basic granny square, and this is I have a tutorial, I'll put it right up here for you, but I'm going to continue in the last row of this square by starting with my chain 3, and we're going to double crochet. So turn your work, yarn over, and get literally into that chain space that we just created, and make your double crochet cluster. And we're going to keep doing this into every chain space for the first row, or the first side, until you get to that corner. Now that we finally reached this corner, I did only the first edge of the corner. I'm going to grab the joining square, which is going to create the pocket, and I'm going to continue the 5th round in both square corners. So get that first stitch on both and make your first cluster. Make sure you line it up, get into the next set of spaces, and make your second cluster. So as you can see, I really wasn't kidding when I said this is literally the easiest way to join a pocket. As you can see, it's just working through both layers all the way around, and I work only 3 sides. You can do this with any shape of pocket as long as you continue your increasing stitches. If you're working in a circle, if you're working in a square, it's obviously your corner increases. So as long as you're mindful of those, you're going to be able to make this pocket in any shape or size and with any design. And it makes it so pretty. It's just great to add to any project you want, which I happen to do a lot of because being a mom, pockets are very useful. Not only for myself, but for my kids. They like to be able to carry their rocks and seeds and twigs around, and having extra pockets is always a bonus. While you may notice here, I am actually weaving in the tail from the overlaying square, so the flower square. And there is a tutorial coming for that next week. I'm almost done. It's coming, I promise. We're just going to continue working our clusters along to the edge of the 3rd side. Now for this final corner, you're going to go in through both, make sure you do your last side, and then just join with a single crochet and a slip stitch. Leave about a half, I'd leave an inch honestly, to tie in your tail. And there you have a simple pocket. I joined it to this sweater. You can make it as large or as small as you would like, but this is the perfect size for a 12-month-old. The full pattern for this sweater and the blanket and hat will be available on my website very soon. Happy crafting, guys. I'll see you guys next week.